Hello and welcome to my channel. My name is Alek, and in this step-by-step tutorial I will show you how to create internal links in WordPress. An internal link could be a word, multiple words, an image or a button that you can click or tap to open or visit another page inside the website that you are already on. As it is always best to show by example, I will use my dummy website alekonline.com, which I use for creating WordPress tutorials. If I open my separate blog page, you can see that I have published 3 posts. I will create a new post, add some text, an image and a button, and create internal links to each of these 3 posts. To do that, I will go back to my dashboard, hover over posts and select Add New Post. If you don't know how to create a post, you will see a link to my previous tutorial in the upper right corner of the screen that you can watch after finishing this one. I will add a title, a dummy text, an image and a button, and get back to you in a minute. Alright, the title, text, image and button have been added, and I will start creating 3 different internal links for each of my blog posts. The first will be a text link. I can select one or multiple words to create it. I will pick these 3 random words and click this link icon. To link to blog post 1, I will enter blog in the search box and select blog post 1 from the list. I will then click this pencil icon to make some additional changes. You can leave the text box as it is or change the text. I will enter blog post 1. The link to the post is OK, and I will check this Open in a New tab checkbox. When Nofollow is used, the search engine bot doesn't follow the link or care about that page. That's why internal links should always be marked as do follow. If you publish paid advertisements on your site, such as banner ads or affiliate links, these links to your advertiser sites should be nofollow links. For this link, I will leave the checkbox unchecked and click Save. The text has changed from random words to blog post 1, and I will now create the second internal link for this image. I will click on it, and from this menu select this link icon. I will enter blog and select blog post 2 from the list, and click this curved arrow to apply it. I will click this little arrow for link settings, click this toggle button to be opened in a new tab, delete these 2 values, and click outside this box to close it. The image link has been added, and I will now create the last one, which is the button link. I will click on it, select the link icon, enter blog to find and choose blog post 3 from the list, click the pencil icon, check this Open in a New tab checkbox, and click Save. All internal links have been created, and I will select Save Draft. To preview this post, I will click this little icon and select Preview in a new tab. If I click the text link, blog post 1 should open in a new tab. When I click the image link, blog post 2 should open in a new tab. And if I click the button link, blog post 3 should open in a new tab. All links work perfectly, and this is how to create internal links in WordPress. I hope this tutorial was helpful to you. If it was, please like it and feel free to subscribe for more WordPress related content. If you have any questions, please don't hesitate to ask. There are no stupid questions, only stupid answers. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.